Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mr. Martin with some quick announcements for today. It's Tuesday, October 13th. Today you will attend your odd period classes, periods 1, 3, 5, and 7. Hey, period 5 is in there, so 7th and 8th graders, you go to advisory today. 12:15, that starts. Period 1 starts at 9, 3 at 10:25, 5 at 12:15, 7 at 1:40. The rest of the week looks like this. Wednesdays, even periods. Thursdays, odd periods. Fridays, even periods. And then we come back to school, periods 1 through 8, starting Monday, October 19th. That's next Monday. The red group will come for a full day. We start at 8:50. We go until 3:35. We have all 8 periods. Our yellow group will meet on Tuesday, October 20th, with then Wednesday being a teacher prep day. Morning interventions for kids, students who are struggling. This is your chance to schedule time with your teachers, or your teachers' time to schedule time with you. Something I want to make you aware of: school IDs will be required to ride the school buses. We're going to start that right away on the 19th. So these are the normal school IDs that everybody wears. You'll just bring your school ID. If you don't have one, come to the office here. There'll be a couple practice days on Monday and Tuesday. We're doing this for a couple of reasons. If there's somebody COVID positive on the bus, we have to contact trace on the bus too. And so we need to know who's on that bus. And then just safety for ridership. We need to know who's on the bus at any given time, even if COVID doesn't exist. Hey, a fun opportunity coming up, PTA Reflections. This is an annual event. The theme this year is I Matter Because. And students, if you're interested, submit an entry. The categories are dance, choreography, film, literature, music, photography, and visual arts. We have always had some place winners here at Ben. So take a look at this. I Matter Because. The deadline is January 15th. More information at this website and, of course, here in the office. Quick word of wisdom, a quote: "How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world." That was written by Anne Frank. She was just a child when she wrote that. You know, Anne Frank could be alive today. The Holocaust didn't happen all too long ago, actually. She'd be 90 years old. Anne Frank was born in 1939, a victim of the Holocaust in Nazi Germany. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. Wildcats, that's why we ask you to add value every day. That's a way to improve the world, whether it's right in your own family, in your community, or here at school. Just adding value, respectful, responsible behavior, having a growth mindset, being safe. Those are ways to improve your surroundings and mine too. Have a great day, everyone.